Alright guys, so today I'm going to be working on a 2003 Toyota 4Runner, and I just want to show you guys how I changed the gear shifter light and the cup holder lights to LEDs. I know you guys either have burnout ones or they're the ugly yellow, orange, nasty ones like this one. And this is the factory one, and I got rid of it and put pretty white ones in there. And basically the first thing to do, unscrew this. That comes out. I've already done the job, so that's why everything kind of popped and loose already, but I'm just gonna walk you through it real quick. So you unscrew that. Next thing you want to do is just press this and pop it open like you were to. So you press that, and there's gonna be little tabs that you want to like pull forward or pull up with. And it should release like that. Set that aside. Now you're gonna have the console. What I did is I popped this open. I used like a little screwdriver like this, or you can use the plastic ones, which work better because you won't scratch anything. But I use that little screwdriver. You press in there, pop it open, get that out of the way, and then you're gonna have another one. Oh, you can take this out too. This just pulls up with your finger. And then this guy right here, you can pry it open like from the back side like this. But you're gonna have two tabs. You're gonna have one right there, that little hole right there, and there's another one under here. So what I did is I pulled this up on the sides like this, and it lifts up like this. Now you can pry the sucker open, and then there's the two tabs I was telling you about. Throw that over there. So now that this is loose, you're gonna pry from the top carefully without breaking it. And then this thing lifts up. Now you're going to have two connections, at least mine did. There's going to be one right here, and then one right here. And those are the wires that go here. But so once you get that aside, put that over there. Now this is what it looks like. From here I lift it up on the sides here, and it just clips in these things here. So you're going to lift that up, get that out of the way. Now, in order to get to the light in here, you're gonna have four clips, and they're gonna be right there. That guy is in this hole, and then that guy right there goes in this hole. But yeah, I used this little screwdriver like this, and I pried it open to get that lip off. And then there's some on this side too. There's two on this side, one right there and one right there. And then this sucker just pops right up, slides up like this. Clean that real good in the little letters. Mine was so gross. I used a little brush thing like this, and some I used some LA's orange spray from the dollar store. It works really good, by the way. I love using that stuff. It smells good too. And or you can use Windex, but yeah, you get that brush in there. Oops. And then you can just kind of scrub them in, make them real clear, because mine were disgusting. And then the back side also, this was nasty, but I cleaned it real nice. But put that over there. And then you'll have this, slide this off. Yeah, if you don't clean this, I mean, it's kind of pointless to do a bright LED if you're not even be able to see through the freaking letters. So make sure those are clean. So yeah, that thing I took off, slide that up. As you can see, it was nasty in here. I kind of brushed it up and cleaned it. But this was even gross too. This was so bad. But I used that same little brush to clean that. Anyways, here's your bulb that you need to replace. Like I said, this one was right here. This is the LED now, and it's super bright. And in order to get to this one, obviously it's right there, but normally you would get from the back side under here and then twist it, but it's super hard to get my fingers in there. So what I did is I used the skinny needle nose pliers like this, and got in here from the top like that, and then twisted it to unlock it 90 degrees, and then it's going to slide down like this. Then you can access the bulb, pull the bulb out, and then put the new bulb in, then put it underneath here, get the socket lined up, shove it through the hole, and then do the same thing in reverse, then tighten it 90 degrees with the needle nose pliers, and then that's how that works. But let me show you what it looks like. It's actually really bright. Let's see here. So that's going to be a nice improvement tonight. Can't wait to see it. And then for the cup holder lights I was telling you about, it's also a number 74 bulb, LED bulb. But I thought there was two, you know, these two little windows. Make sure those are clean, like I said, on the other thing. That if they're dirty, you're not going to get any light output anyway, so make sure they're clean. Like I said, I use that little brush, and you can use Windex or whatever cleaner you want to use, but I like using Ellie's awesome orange spray. But yeah, the bulb is only one bulb, and it's actually way back in here, and there's no way in hell I can get my finger in there. So I use the little needle nose pliers like this, and then you can twist it and unlock it like that. And then you can grab the cord out and then change the bulb here, and then put the bulb back in, and then put it back in. It's actually really easy. But yeah, that's kind of like the quick breakdown of how everything goes. And then put all that crap back together, and hopefully that helps.